Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by rewriting each equation into slope-intercept form as y equals mx plus b. Identify the y-intercept, for example 3, and plot the point at 0, 3 on the grid. Next, identify the slope, for example 1/2, and use rise 1 and run 2 to plot a second point. Connect the 2 points and draw a straight line across the grid to represent the equation. Make sure you label the line so you can distinguish it from other plotted equations. Graph a second equation on the same grid, for example y equals 2x plus 1, and label that line. Use its y-intercept at 1 and slope -2 to plot a second point, then draw the second line. Observe where the two lines cross and estimate the intersection coordinates on the grid. For these example lines, the intersection falls approximately at x equals 0, 8 and y equals 2, 6, so record the ordered pair. That ordered pair is the solution to the system of equations by graphing. Always check your graphical solution by substituting the estimated x and y back into both original equations. If substitution gives matching values, then the intersection point is correct for the system. Remember special cases. Parallel lines have no intersection and thus no solution, while identical lines yield infinitely many solutions. Use a consistent scale on both axes, for example 1 unit equals 1, and label tick marks for accurate reading. When estimating from a drawn graph, round coordinates to 2 decimals or to 0. 0, 1 for clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.